Hello, I'm Dr. Jeffyrd and I'm an engineer at CTL Group. Dams are an essential part of our infrastructure. There are over 90,000 dams in the US and its territories. Some of these dams were built in the early 20th century. Back then, cyclopean concrete was used to construct a dam. This consisted of mass concrete filled with aggregates the size of boulders spaced between them. Times have changed, and with that, the need for infrastructure repair and maintenance have changed as well. CTL Group has a long history of providing services and testing for infrastructure projects. We offer integrated services and testing all under one roof. We are one of the very few labs in the country that is certified and can perform direct shear testing on concrete that is used in dams and other large infrastructure projects. We also offer a variety of durability testing to be performed on aging infrastructure. If you have any more questions, please contact us today.